In the heart of nature, away from the rush of human life, we find a sight both curious and mesmerizing. A magnificent peacock, not dancing, not displaying its colors, but engaging in a very different, very ancient ritual, the dust bath. Watch carefully. The peacock is sitting here in a duct and see how the peacock has lowered its body close to the earth, digging slightly into the soft, warm soil with its strong, rhythmic kicks of its legs. It showers itself with fine grains of sand. At first glance, it might seem playful, almost casual, but there is a deeper reason behind this behavior. This process is called dust bath. The dust bath helps to clean the feathers, remove parasites, and control oil buildup on the skin. Insects like mites and lice often hide deep within the feathers, and the dust works like a natural cleanser, suffocating pests and keeping the plumage healthy. As the peacock continues, notice how methodically it covers its body with dust. First the wings, then the back, and even head. Every movement is precise, deliberate, and instinctive. In the wild, access to clean, dry soil is crucial. Birds, big and small, depend on these natural dust baths to maintain their health and protect their stunning feathers. Peacock keep on doing for as much time as it like to do. It not only gives cleansing but rest also. So the peacocks like this activities very much and enjoy this in the sun, as you are seeing that the sun is on its head. And after several minutes of dusting, see, the peacock is still there, and after several minutes of dusting, the peacock slowly rises, and then it with a sudden powerful shake it frees itself from the cleaning scent. Each grain flies into the air, relieving once again the vibrant colors hidden beneath. This simple yet profound moment reminds us nature provides for its own, teaching even the most beautiful among its creatures the way to survive and thrive. If you found this glimpse of nature wisdom inspiring, don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more incredible moments from the wild, because the nature, every small act, every hidden ritual tells a story worth hearing. Thank you for watching video.